Hey everybody, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my Hobonichi weeks, ready to decorate for the week of September 12th through 18th. And this week I'm using one of my new releases, Fall Florals. So Fall Florals just came out this last Friday, September 9th, and you have the deco sheets, which I'm really excited about. The paint swatches, which I may not use any in this spread. I use this mainly for my cousin, and then the circles as well as the quote and washi. Let's get started. So the first thing I am going to do is actually write the name or the date on the side here, and I'm doing it with my Pilot Metropolitan with a stub nib. Hi Lucy. And it currently has a Diamine Aurora Borealis, and it kind of matches my nails. And then the next one that I'm going to use is my Pelican M400, and it currently has Diamine Autumn Oak in there as well. So now that that's done, I think what I'm going to do, I feel like I could certainly put this down and that would look so cute down the middle. I normally separate my meetings and to-do lists like this anyway. Oh, I love it. And then I'm going to put one of these bigger florals down here. So probably this one. Whoops, let's not rip the sticker. And just like so, with a quote, autumn is my favorite color. Although it's not technically autumn yet. And then I'm going to place one of the big, I'm going to take the green circle, place it up top here in the middle, or not in the middle, well, the middle of the overall spread. Take one of the smaller ones from the quote and washi sheet. Place that right there. And then actually do something similar down at the bottom here, probably with a peachy one. And use the smaller. Oh, I love that. So simple, yet I don't know, I absolutely love it. So I'm going to go ahead and write down my meetings down the side here. So there is my overall finished spread. I really like how simple it is, but I also love how it is very quick to decorate my Hobonichi weeks, which makes it really simple to do every week, and I don't have to stress out about it. I know that this planner is just for work, and it's nice adding a few stickers here and there to make it a little bit more palatable to look at because it's work. I don't know if I will ever do a full flip through of this just because there is some stuff in here that is a little bit more sensitive, but the way that I use it is definitely different to how a lot of other people use their weeks. Mainly meetings on this side, to-do list, any other to-do lists, and important notes. And then more important notes will go back in the actual notes section, which actually I haven't used a lot of. So I have purchased another weeks for next year, and as soon as I get that, I will definitely do an unboxing. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really enjoyed decorating with my Fall Florals collection. It is available in my shop. And if you guys have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. Have you guys ordered anything from Hobonichi for next year, or have you guys already got your planners for next year? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.